It's starting to rain. Damn. Not really expecting rain until like 2, 1 or 2-ish. And then it's supposed to rain until like 6 or 7-ish. So today should be fun. Got my dry socks on now. So I'm gonna switch to my wet ones when it starts raining. I love that. Yeah. Rained for a good bit of last night. It's like, is it 9 or 10? It's one of those. Kind of slow to start today again, but if I wanted to leave earlier, I was gonna have to like get packed up in the rain a little bit. So I just wanted to wait all that out. No pain. We are pretty much injury-free now. I can still feel my knee a little bit, but it's not bad. Oh shit. Okay, well, that's a wet foot. Should have calculated that better. It really is the play to just say fuck it and get my feet wet and not worry about it. But something about dry feet keeps the morale up. This fucking growth is massive. Where is that waterfall coming from? I can hear it. Huh. That's strange. I can hear it perfectly, but can't really see. Got 3 waters. One to my left, one to my middle, and this one here. Where are they going? Like, how does the water stay in these things? So much water. Where's it coming from? We gonna have to get wet. Damn. Yo, this shit's pretty fucking high. Yep. Holy shit. Maybe it's not too bad. I'm gonna roll my fucking pants up though. Might have a pretty crazy crossing coming up. This it actually looks okay. Walking this whole thing, and my app kept telling me that I was supposed to cross that creek, that fucking crazy one that we saw earlier. But I had a, had like a little trail to go on, but there was a trail on the other side. And so I just kept walking on mine. And eventually it was right. You can see the places there. But then I was tripping. I was on the wrong side of the water. It wouldn't have been that big a deal, but still. Rocks out here. Big rock. There's a big rock. There's a big creek. Oh, that's sick. Hell yeah, man. afraid of. I think I was supposed to be on the other side, but I think they also, this might have been an old one, so I think they're going to connect back to each other. Get the day started. Gonna have to cross that creek here soon. Half a mile. So hope it gets smaller. A snake. I don't really care how wide it is. I just don't want it to go past my belt. I don't risk getting any of my gear wet. Is all, and my nards. Infamia with iron? What is that? Infamia. Oh my fucking god. Look at that. I have to cross this bitch soon. That's crazy. That's gonna be fucking hell. Okay, so this is where the trail's taking me. I'm assuming I need to go across there. Ah, man. If I should even try to cross. I'm gonna look back at my map though, see if just make sure where I'm supposed to go. So, not too bad. It's like a little over my knee height, but I'm also close to the bank. Okay. Okay, so it does tell me that's where I'm supposed to go, but the line, so somebody commented on the app and said that the line was a little off. They were northbound, so they said stay to the left, so that would mean cross, I'm assuming, stay to the left. But anyways, I'm gonna go back the way I came, and there's like an overgrown trail. It doesn't really seem like it is the path. No blazes or anything, but I mean, it's not like I'm gonna lose the creek or anything. Just gonna see what I find. See if there's like maybe a better place to cross. See if maybe it goes back to the line. Who knows? So I'm gonna try to walk across. There's no way in fucking hell that does not go over my head. So I'm gonna try it, but it's not looking good. Not looking good. I can go over that hill over here, and I'll hit a road that goes back into the trail, but it kind of like bypasses it a little bit. Oh my gosh, you can see the little turtle. Where is it? Yeah, right there. God damn. But yeah, that's where we at. So I'm gonna try to go across. I'm gonna hold my backpack above my head, and fingers crossed. Made it across. Fucking creek. Came up to, yeah, my belly. Man, that shit was so cold. I mean, it wasn't, the only thing it was cold for was my cock and balls. But, yeah, that was cool. Kind of sucks that I made it such a big deal, because I walked like an extra half mile that way and back. All this extra time I'm taking, pain. losing some miles for sure. Oh, wish I'd done it sooner. Cool little bridge there, goes over the creek. Feels like I'm starting to get to a more used area. Just had a truck pass me. Stop and talk to some people earlier. They had some horse trailers. So they just come out here and ride horses. Some good fun. Got the sun shining down. It's nice, feels good. I feel like I'm kind of out of that back country. That's the Rock Castle River. That creek I was following by emptied out into it. 8 miles to Wildcat. I might be able to make that. It's 2 o'clock right now. 2468. Yeah. I mean, I've been kind of quick with the miles. Already ate dinner. It might be a little late. I don't really know if I could camp there. Just post up at the battlefield. Maybe. I don't really expect there to be like people there to stop me. And it's probably a big open field. There's a spring nearby as well. Be able to get some good water. I guess that's what we're shooting for. Just crossed using that tree. There's a fancy bike chained up to that tree right there. I wonder what they're doing. Little camp spot right here. This would be a nice place to camp. Wildcat Monument, 8 miles. That's what it said last time.
The dwarves of yore made mighty spells, while hammers fell like ringing bells, in places deep where dark things sleep, in hollow halls beneath the fells.
Fucking crazy.